70 English slang words for everyday conversations. Emotions and feelings. Chill. Relaxed, calm or easygoing. Example, I'm just chilling at home with some music. Vibe. The atmosphere or feeling of a situation/person. Example, this cafe has such good vibes. Though, really excited or enthusiastic. Example, I'm stoked about the concert this weekend. Disappointed or upset. Example, I'm bummed that the party got cancelled. Salty. Upset or bitter. Often over something minor. Example, she's salty because she lost the game. Type, very excited or energized. Example, everyone's hyped for the new movie release. Shocked or surprised. Example, I was shook when I heard she quit her job. Exciting, fun or amazing. Example, that party last night was so lit. Gutted. Extremely disappointed or devastated. Example, I'm gutted I didn't get tickets to the show. Very calm or peaceful. Example, I'm feeling totally zen after yoga. Social interactions. Ghost. To suddenly stop responding to someone's messages or calls. Example, he ghosted me after one date. Rude. Shape. A subtle insult or criticism, often sneaky. Example, she threw shade at his outfit during the meeting. Spill the tea. To share gossip or juicy details. Example, come on, spill the tea about what happened. Savage. Bold, harsh, or brutally honest, often in a funny way. Example, her comeback was so savage I couldn't stop laughing. Clapback. A quick, sharp response to criticism or an insult. Example, she clapped back at the troll on social media. Flex. To show off or boast about something. Example, he's always flexing his new car on Instagram. To be an obsessive fan of someone or something. Example, I totally stan that new singer. Her songs are fire. Rag. To criticize or make fun of someone harshly. Example, they dragged his presentation for being boring. Squad. Close group of friends. Example, I'm going out with my squad tonight. A term of endearment for a romantic partner or close friend. Example, I'm grabbing dinner with Bae later. Reactions and opinions. To do something exceptionally well. Example, you slayed that dance performance. Fire. Awesome, cool or high quality. Example, that new song is straight fire. Trash. Something bad, low quality or disappointing. Example, the movie was trash. Don't waste your time. Extra. Over the top or dramatic behavior. Example, she's so extra with her glittery outfit. An agreement or confirmation like okay or sure. Example, wanna grab pizza. Bet let's do it. Low-key. Secretly or discreetly, without drawing attention. Example, I low-key love that cheesy TV show. Reiki. Openly or obviously with emphasis. Example, I high-key want to go to that concert. Oh, cool, awesome, or impressive. Example, your new sneakers are dope. Really cool or amazing. Example, that skateboard trick was sick. Expressing indifference or lack of enthusiasm. Example, the food was meh, nothing special. Actions and situations. To leave or go away quickly. Example, it's getting late, I'm gonna dip. To spend time casually with others. Example, let's hang at the park this afternoon. Crash. To sleep or stay somewhere temporarily, or to show up uninvited. Example, can I crash at your place tonight? To cancel plans or leave suddenly. Example, she bailed on our movie night last minute. Off. To get exciting, intense, or out of control. Example, the party really popped off after midnight. To buy or get something. Example, I copped those headphones on sale. Swipe. To take or steal something casually. Example, I swiped some fries from his plate. Chop it up. To have a casual, friendly conversation. Example, we chopped it up about music for hours. Hold up. To wait or pause or express surprise. Example, hold up, you met her already. Roll up. To arrive at a place, often casually. Example, we rolled up to the party around 9 p.m. Appearance and style. Drip. Stylish or fashionable clothing or appearance. Example, your outfit's got serious drip today. Nat. Looking amazing or perfect, often about appearance. Example, her makeup is snatched for the event. Serving looks. Looking stylish or attractive. Example, she's serving looks in that dress. Point. Perfect or exactly right, often about style or performance. Example, your hairstyle is on point. Fresh. Stylish, new or cool. Example, those kicks are fresh. Where'd you get them? Bling. Flashy jewelry or accessories. Example, he's rocking some serious bling tonight. Play queen. A woman who looks or performs amazingly. Example, you're a slay queen in that outfit. Glow up. A major improvement in appearance or confidence. Example, she had a serious glow up since high school. An outfit or clothing style, short for outfit. Example, your fit is fire for the party. Clean. Stylish or well put together appearance. Example, he showed up looking clean in a new suit. Miscellaneous and fun. To throw something forcefully or express excitement. Example, I yeeted my old phone into the trash. Expressing frustration, surprise, or disbelief. Example, bruh, you forgot the tickets again. No cap. Honestly, without lying. Example, This is the best pizza, no cap. A lie or exaggeration. Example, he said he's rich. That's cap. Goat. Greatest of all time used to praise someone. Example, she's the goat at singing. Suspicious or untrustworthy. Example, that guy's acting super is. Gossip or interesting news. Example, what's the tea on their breakup? Finna. Short for fixing to, meaning about to do something. Example, I'm finna grab some food. Big yikes. Expressing embarrassment or shock at a situation. Example, he tripped on stage. Big yikes. Mood. Something relatable or expressing your current feeling. Example, sleeping all day? That's a mood. Technology and social media. DM. Direct message, private communication online. Example, slide into my DMs if you want to chat. Viral. Something that spreads quickly online. Example, that dance video went viral overnight. Thirsty. Desperately seeking attention, often online. Example, his posts are so thirsty for likes. Simp. Someone who overly admires or does too much for someone they like. Example, he's simping hard for her on social media. Troll. To provoke or annoy someone online deliberately. Example, ignore him. He's just trolling in the comments. A great song or music track. Example, this new track is a total bop. Receipts. Evidence or proof. Often screenshots of conversations. Example, she showed receipts to prove her story. Dream. To watch or broadcast content live online. Example, I'm streaming the game tonight. Hundo P. Percent certain or in agreement. Example, you think it's awesome? Hundo P. Cancel. To reject or dismiss someone/something publicly. Example, they tried to cancel that show for its bad jokes.